I'm coming to you from 5200 Clark Station Road in Finchville, Kentucky. Finchville sits between Shelbyville and Louisville. This beautiful home was built in 1994. It is located in an equestrian community. It sits on 45 acres. The home has 4 bedrooms with multiple bonus rooms, so you could have 5 or 6 bedrooms pretty easily. There are 3 full baths and 2 half baths. It has a beautiful foyer here with a coat closet, tile floors, and plenty of room for furniture, whatever you need to put in the foyer. So we'll go to the right first. This is the living room. The home has a gas log fireplace upstairs and downstairs. It has a formal dining room that looks out over to the pasture, one of the pastures. It has French doors that go out onto the deck that overlooks even more turnout areas with beautiful Kentucky blackboard fence. This is the master suite. It is really spacious. That's a king-size bed. This is a split floor plan, so the master's on one side of the house and the other 2 bedrooms and shared bath are on the other end of the house. It has a double vanity with windows that look both ways. Lots of privacy back here. Has a nice tile walk-in shower, jacuzzi tub. Beautiful wooded area, garden area outside. And that is a large walk-in closet. Again, master suite, king-size bed, plenty of room for big furniture. The home has been painted a really pretty soft gray. Kitchen is really spacious. A door to outside, the door to the basement, a pantry. We'll go down the hall. There's the front door again. Pretty lights, pretty vaulted ceiling. So to the right here is a really nice hall closet, lots of shelving and storage. Here's a half bath for customers and clients and friends. This is the bedroom on the front of the house. Across from it is the bedroom on the back of the house. Both of these bedrooms have large walk-in closets. They're using this for an office. Here's the full bath that's shared for these 2 bedrooms. That's another pantry to the left. The door in front goes out to the garage. And here's your laundry room on the main level. Nice bench for taking your boots off. We'll go check out the basement. It is a full finished walk-out basement with a nice covered patio area. Downstairs, there is a workout room. A master suite. A kitchenette. A sitting room that, if you added a closet, would be my personal favorite bedroom for the house because of the view. So living quarters down here, kitchenette, another gas fireplace, doors that go out to the covered patio, really nice built-in, lighted. Let me show you this view. Really pretty flowers. Lots of privacy back there. Really peaceful place to hang out and rest. So, kitchenette, another extra large closet with lots of shelving. This is the half bath for downstairs. This is going to be your fitness or workout room, complete with your own beagle hunting station. This wall is solid mirrors, so you can check your progress. This is really a beautiful home with a spectacular show barn. They're using this for a bedroom for overflow of company. Be easy to put a closet right there. And what a bedroom. Watch the Marin folds, butterflies. Just a peaceful, peaceful setting. Give us a call if we can show this to you. 45 acres, 23 stall barn. Room for in-laws or man cave. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.